guys, so first is priming. So I'm gonna use my favorite primer, which is from the Body Shop. This is the CC Glow na lagi kong ginagamit. Itong primer na to, I use it all over my face. Kasi gagamit pa tayo ng isa pang primer. Okay, and then we're gonna use as well the Benefit Porefessional. Lalagyan lang natin siya dun sa mga obvious pores natin sa face. So like the nose, I also have some obvious pores dito sa aking side ng cheeks. Para flawless talaga tayo, kahit may pa-pimple tayo dyan. For foundation guys, we are gonna use the YSL All Hours foundation. And this is in BD40. Bigay ko muna siyang ganyan. So for this makeup, we will be using two concealers. The first one is the Tarte shape, which is, as you all know, if you have watched my previous video, this is my most favorite concealer. And then cover ko na lang din yung sides ng nose ko. And then, again with my sponge, blend lang natin. And then yung second concealer na gagamitin natin is itong NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Ayan. So now we will set our base with our loose powder from the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. Ayan. So, tayo. So for the eyes, I will use the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And ang gagamitin natin itong burnt orange. Yan. So, and then we will just put this all over our eyelid. So starting from the crease and then pababang ganyan. And then for the eyeliner, I will just use my brown eyeshadow here. And then using a Real Techniques brush or any eyebrow brush like this. Yan. So from the same palette, meron dito yung Red Ochre. Red Ochre siya, pero parang brown siya sa malayo. So, ito na lang gagamitin natin. Pasensya na kayo guys kung narinig yung ticking clock namin. Sobrang tahimik dito eh. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, brown eyeliner lang yan siya. And then now we will proceed to our eyelashes. This is the Espresso eyeshadow from Mary Kay, which I always use for my eyebrows. Try ko lang gawing mas natural. Okay, yan na yung brows natin. And then, using a brow mascara, this one is from Eyelure. Yan. And then, pababa ang ganito sa kabilang side. So, nakita niyo ba kung nag-feather out? But anyway, that's the best that I can do. So, we are done with the eyes. Now, we are going to proceed again with the rest of our face. So, magko-contour na tayo, guys. You know, I'm using my favorite contour powder from LA Colors. And this is in the shade of Toffee. Okay, so we already have bronzed our face. Ngayon, tatanggalin ko lang yung binake kong powder kasi limutan ko na. Okay, and now obviously for our cheeks, for the blush, what we are going to use is the Tarte Blush Bliss palette, and this is in shade Genuine. Yan. So medyo orangey yung shade niya. Okay, so we are done with the cheeks. Now with our highlight, Tarteist ProGlow. Yan. Sobrang favorite ko. So, I'm gonna use the Strobe. And then, extend natin dito sa ating brow bone. So, ganyan. Then, on our nose. And then, also on our inner corners. Yan. Oh, and by the way, guys, nakalimutan ko maglagay ng eyeshadow dito sa lower lash line ko. So, naglalagay din tayo. And this one as well, I'm very excited, guys, kasi I will finally get to test Maine Mendoza's MAC lipstick. Mag-focus ka. Yan. So, I'm gonna try this lipstick of Miss Maine Mendoza to complete our look. But guys, I will do a separate video for a review of this, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!